Honey, do you want to take a nap?
Annika, are you ready to take a nap? Want to go to sleep? Take a nap? Yeah, you're tired. You want to go take a nap? Annika? She will totally not say it. Honey. Honey bear. You being funny. You being funny. No. You want to take a nap? Nap? No. You're not tired? Do you like this music? No. You want to dance? No. Come here, Mommy. No. You're really pretty tired. I think we should take a nap. What do you think? That's probably good, don't you think?
Yeah.